This is going to be an unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga. So you have this like gray cardboard box with the yoga print. So we have here the laptop. We'll put that to the side. Here's a little paper on the cooling. And we have like a little flap here. This comes in like this really rainbow like variant like box. Also cardboard. So we have the half of the AC adapter. This like compartment to the left, and on the right is a flap. You pull this. This is actually really stuck in here. So this whole thing is actually really heavy. It's like a box here. Let's see what's inside. So that's the brick part of the charger. We have a little bit of paperwork here. So books. So here it is. That's the charger. That's it for the rest of the box. Here are the specs. Core i5 8th gen. That's really about all you get. Check out the laptop. So it comes with this purchase paper. So I'll show the sides of it first. So that's USB-C, 2 USB-Cs, headphone jack, and on the other side, power button and USB-A. Also does have JBL audio on it. It says yoga right here, so it's a 13-inch. So I'll show you right here. So here it is. It does have the Touch ID. All metal construction, so it's actually very nice. So I just turned it on. It might be out of power, so I might have to get the charger. It's not turning on. Alright, get the charger. I'll get this plugged in and we'll see how it is. Upon realizing that this Yoga actually uses the same charger as the MacBook Pro, so I just plugged it in here. So that is the 85 watt MagSafe for the MacBook Pro Touch Bar. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So this actually does work. So again, this is the MacBook Pro charger. Here is a size comparison between the two side by side. This is a 15-inch MacBook Pro. So it's a little bit, okay, so here it is. Hold on. Okay. So here's a size comparison. So this is a giant.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay
That's
quiet,
how big it is.
just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
You can see how big it is.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows,
You can see
Control,
how big it
and
is
Enter
this
keys
way
at
too.
the same time to
So
turn
it's a
on
Core
narrator.
i5.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, got everything removed. So this is how it looks. Beautiful screen.